Hey folks, for OS Reviews, you're watching our video review of the TeknoRise 3-port USB car charger. This has 5.1 amps and again 3 USB ports to charge 3 tablets or smartphones simultaneously. It's relatively compact and retails on Amazon for under $10, which is a little bit on the pricier side of the spectrum, but the construction quality is made out of aluminum, and with 3 ports, it's more than the 2 ports that we commonly see here on OS Reviews. Taking a look at the presentation, we have on the back a basic info about the unit. You can see that one port is 5 volt 2.1 amps, the second one is 5 volt 2 amps, and the third is 5 volt 1 amp. That 1 amp output will charge any smartphone, whereas the 2.1 and 2 amps will be sufficient for any tablets such as the Apple iPad. There's also a power indicator, and you can see the sockets on the sides there. It comes in 2 color iterations, the white and the black models. So taking a look at what's in the packaging here, you have access here to a 1-year warranty. There's also just the charger itself and a quick start guide / warranty and instruction manual. And finally, just the unit itself. So taking a closer look at the design of the car charger, you have a fusion between aluminum and polycarbonate plastic, so it feels relatively nicely put together. On the top, you have some chrome accents along the sides, which creates a sense of confidence when you're using it and holding it, and the weight distribution is pretty nice as well. On the top, you have access to an LED indicator, and the actual ports are nicely labeled out. The spacing between each of the individual USB ports is nice and wide. This allows you to sufficiently plug in 3 cables without any issues in terms of interference with one another. And basically, the design is nice and compact. So taking a look at once you're ready, simply plug the car charger into a cigarette lighter and you're ready to go. But for this demonstration purpose, I'm going to plug it into the wall using a converter. And as you can see, there is a blue LED that will illuminate once power has been received onto the charger. And to start charging, I'm just going to plug a cable into any one of the sockets on the sides here, and you can see that charging will start automatically. This is a smart charger, so it's not going to overheat or overcharge your device, and once the charging has been completed, you can simply remove and unplug your product. Charging rates are relatively fast for a car charger. For an Android smartphone, we average roughly 2 hours. The iPhone 6 took about 3 hours to completely charge, and using the 2.1 amp output, an iPad charged in 3.5 hours, which is relatively speedy and nice. During operation, the charger also didn't have any issues in terms of heating and remained fairly cool, and charging multiple products at the same time doesn't interfere with the charging rate. Overall, the TeknoRise 3-port USB car charger with 5.1 amps and 3 USB sockets is nicely designed. It's a no-frills charger that simply works and is well constructed. To learn more information, be sure to read our full written review. This has been our video. Thank you for watching. Here are OS Reviews.